morning and Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes. This is your maths class and we are doing lesson 4 division. We were doing exercise 4.1 question A. Two questions we have done and remaining we will do today. So let's start the topic, children. Question A is find the quotient and the remainder. So what is the meaning of quotient? I have told you in previous class. What is the meaning of quotient? Quotient means the answer that we get on dividing a number is quotient. And what is remainder? The answer that is left in the end is known as remainder, or we can say the number that is left in the end is known as remainder. Okay, so what is quotient? The answer that we get on dividing a number is known as quotient, and remainder is the number that is left in the end. So children, now let's see exercise 4.1 question A heading you all have already written yesterday. And two questions we have done. So you will start with writing today's date. All of you write today's date and then start doing question 3. Okay, do it along with me everyone. If your question given is 4568 divided with 2. Okay. So children, here in this question, which number is dividend? The number which is being divided is known as dividend. Here which number is being divided? 4568 is the number which is being divided. And 2 is the number by which it is being divided. So 2 is the divisor. So children, now let's divide first. Before dividing, we will write the table of 2. Say the table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are. So children, now this is the table of 2. Okay. Before doing division, we will write the table at the side of your notebook. Okay. You all will write this table in your notebook. So children, copy down the table everyone. Now children, see. The number given to us for division is 4568 to be divided with 2. Okay, this is the division question. Now children, first thing we will see is the first number. If the first number, which is 4 over here, if this number is smaller than 2, suppose 1 is given, okay, in the place of 4, if 1 is given, that is smaller number than 2, we cannot divide 1 with 2. Then in that case, what we would have done? We would have taken these two numbers for division. 15. Okay. But in this case, it is not there. So we will take the first number for division. 4 is bigger than 2. That means 4 can be divided with 2. 4 is bigger than 2. 4 is bigger than 2. That everyone knows. So that means 4 can be divided with 2. Now see. In the table of 2, 4 is coming? Yes, 4 is coming. How many times? 2 times. So write 2 twos are 4. Put 0, bring 5 down. Okay? Now we have brought 5 down. Now children, say the table of 2 so that 5 gets divided. How 5 will get divided? Either it will come in the table of 2, या तो वो 2 के टेबल में आएगा, और we will take a number which is smaller than 5. Okay, or we will take the number which is smaller than 5. So in the table of 2, 5 is coming. Can you see 5 is there in this table? 5 is not there. So now what we will pick? Which number we will pick? We will pick the number which is smaller than 5. Which number is smaller than 5? 6 or 4? 4. So we will take 4. How many times 4 is coming? 2 times. So 2 twos are 4. Now here we got 1 as an answer. Okay. Now we will bring which number down? We will bring 6 down. Now it has become 16. Now all of you look here in the table. Now, is there 16 in the table of 2? Yes. How many times? 8 times we will get 16. Okay. So write 2 8s are 16. Now 16 minus 16 we got 0. Put a cross or you can write 0, both ways correct. Now bring 8 down. Now we have brought which number down? The last number, that is 8, we have brought it down. Now children, in the table of 2, 8 is coming. Can you see 8 is there? Yes, 8 is there. In 4 times 8 will come. So say the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So now we got 8. And how much is left in the end? What is our remainder? 0. Nothing is left in the end. We got 0 as our answer. Okay, so the number that is remaining at the end is known as remainder. This is your remainder and this is your quotient. But you have to write quotient and remainder. So you will write quotient is equal to 2284 and remainder you will write 0. 0 is your remainder. Okay, 0 is remainder and 2284 is quotient. So children, now copy down this question in your notebook, everyone. All of you note down. Now you have got an idea how to do division, long divisions. So children, now note down this question in your copy, everyone, notebook. Write correctly, everyone, which number I am bringing down, where I am writing 0 and how I am forwarding this side. See, when I was dividing 4, which is in the, you can say, thousands place, okay, I have written 0, then I have forwarded to hundreds place, okay, I have shifted to hundreds place. So, in the same sequence, you will show your division. It's coming like this, okay, so you all will also show your division like this, okay. So same like this pattern you will follow as I am following diagonal pattern. In the same way you will bring your numbers down. Okay, draw a straight line. If you are bringing 8 down, where I am bringing 8 down, there only you will use pencil and scale if you cannot draw a straight line on your own. Make use of scale. Keep your notebooks very neat and clean. And children, mention quotient and remainder because this is what question is asking. In question, we have to find the quotient and the remainder. At the side of your notebook, draw a line, write the table. Now children, copy it down fast. Now I hope you all have completed it. Now just see the next question, everyone. See the next question now. See the next question. Your next question is 7550 divided by 4. Children, at the side of your notebook, you draw a line with scale and pencil. Okay? Make use of scale and pencil for drawing this line. And writing table is compulsory. So, nobody is going to miss the table. Okay? You all have to write the table. Without table, your division is not going to be solved. Okay? You cannot do the division properly without table. So, if the table is written, you can easily make out the numbers from it. So let's write the table first. Which number we will write the table? We write the table of dividend or divisor. This is dividend which is being divided, which has to be divided, and this is divisor. So we will write the table of 4. Let's write the table of 4, everyone. 4 ones are 4. Say the table of 4 after me. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. So children, this is the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. So children, now let's divide 7515 with 4. Okay. Now, which is the first number we will see? 7. 7 is bigger than 4 or smaller than 4? 7 is bigger than 4. Okay. So, we will divide 7 with 4. 7 can easily be divided with 4. Now, say the table of 4. Now, in the table of 4, can you see 7 is there? 7 is there in the table of 4. I cannot see. Can you see? No one can see, right? So 7 is not there. So which number we will take? We will take a number which is less than 7. 8 is less than 7. I don't think so. 4 is less than 7. Yes. So how many times we will get 4? One time. 4 ones are 4. Now children, do the subtraction. You will get how much? 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 we have got. And now what we will do, which is the next step now? We will bring the number down, correct? Which number we will bring down? The next number to 7, which is 5. So 5 we have brought down. Now, in the table of 4, now we have to divide 35. We have to divide this number with 4. Okay? Now in the table of 35, anyone can see 35 in the table of 4? See everyone. See in the table of 4, can you find 35 is there? I cannot see. Can you see? No, it's not there. Isn't it? It's not there. So 35 is not this side. I cannot see. No one can see. 35 is not there in the table of 4. Now children, what we will do? We'll take a number which is less than 35. Okay? So which number is less than 35? 36 or 32? 32. How many times you will get 32? 4 8s are 32. So we will write 8 and we will write 32 here. Now on subtracting 32 from 35 we will get 3. 3 minus 3 is 3. Now we will bring which number down? Again we got 5 to bring down. Okay, again we got 5 now. Now in the table of 4, can you see 35 is there? Not. Okay. So, which is the number less than 35 is 32. How many times you will get 32? 8 times. 4 8s are 32. Now, how much is left? 3. Here you will get 0. Now, children will bring which number down? We will bring this 0 down. Okay, we have brought this 0 down. Okay. Now, what we will do? Now, what we will do? Now, we have to divide. Okay. What we will do? We will see that in this number, in this table of 4, can you see 30 is there? 30 is there in the table of 4? I cannot see. If you can see. No, 30 is not there in the table of 4. Any number which is less than 30? Yes. 28 is less than 30. How many times we will get 28? 7 times. So we will write here 7 and we have written 28. Now we get 2 as a remainder. 10 minus C. We cannot subtract 8 from 0. Okay? 8 is a bigger number and 0 is smaller number. Always in subtraction from bigger number we have to subtract the smaller number. From smaller number we cannot subtract the bigger number. So for subtracting 8, this 0 is not going to work. So we will take 1. We will take 1. We have borrowed. From whom we have borrowed? From 3 we have borrowed 1. We got 10. And now we subtract 8 from it, we'll get 2. Okay? 3 has given 1 to us, now 3 will become 2. If you are having 2 rupees, you gave 1 to me, you will be having only 1 rupee. So in the same way, 3 was having 3 rupees, 3 has given 1 to 0, now it's 2 rupees only. 2 minus 2 is 0. So now how much is the quotient? Quotient is 1887 is the quotient and remainder is 2. This is remainder and this is quotient. Okay? Is this question clear to all? First we will write the table and then we will start division. In any question, in any number. If you write the table, it's very comfortable for you to divide. Now note down the question. After this, I will give you homework questions of question A and then we will proceed to question B. Note down clearly. I have given the instructions for noting down. Table is must for everyone. So you cannot skip the tables. You have to write the tables. Okay? You cannot skip it. And after it, after writing tables, you will show the division. And division you will show very neat and clearly. Now children, I hope that you all have written it. Everyone has written now. Now children, let's see the homework question, okay? Note down the homework question everyone. See your homework question. This was your classwork that we were doing, question A. Now I am giving you homework questions of question A. Question A, homework questions. Okay? Note down homework question, then I will proceed to question B. Your homework questions are question. 4 questions we have done in classwork, so write 5. 6, 8, 1, 8 divided by 9. Then next is 6005 divided by 5. This is your question A, homework questions. Note down it in your notebook everyone. Everyone has written? All of you have written? Now see the question B. Okay? Everyone has written exercise 4.1 homework questions of question A. Done? Now come to question B. See question B everyone. Now you will write classwork. Okay, we are doing classwork, so you will write classwork. Now come to question B. Your question B is Divide and check your answer. Same exercise 4.1. Question B. Divide and it's a long topic, so more space is needed. So I am writing it from here. Question B. Divide and check your answer. Check your answer. Divide and check your answer. First question is given is 78 divided by 5. 78 divided by 5. Now children, when this type of question is given to you, what we have to do is, first we will divide and after that we will check our answer. What is the checking formula? Dividend is equal to divisor quotient into remainder, quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, so let's divide the 78 with 5 and then we will check the answer. Children, before dividing, what we will do? We will write the table of divisor. Here, which number is dividend? 78 is dividend and 5 is divisor. So, we have to write the table of 5. Let's write the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. So this is the table of 5. Everyone knows the table of 5? Yes, everyone knows the table of 5. So at the side of your notebook, draw a line, write the table of 5. Okay. Now let's start the dividing 78 by 5. Children, see the first number. Your first number is 7. Now, 7 comes in the table of 5? No. So we will take the number which is less than 7 and that is coming in the table of 5. Which number is less than 7? 10 or 5? 5 is less than 7. So we will take 5 ones are 5. How much is come? 2. Now we will bring 8 down. Okay. We will bring 8 down. Now say the table of 5 and divide this 28. In the table of 5, can you see 28 is coming? No, it's not coming, na? 28 is not coming in the table of 5. So now we'll see a number which is less than 28. Which number is less than 28? 25 or 30? 28 say come. Which number is less than 28? 25. So how many times 25 is coming? 5 times. 5 fives are 25. Now let's subtract. You will get 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 2, you will get 0. Now, is there any number that we have to bring down? Any number is left that we have to bring down? No number. Now, no number is left. So, we got 3 over here. Okay. Now, how much is our quotient? Is 15. Remainder is 3. We are having quotient, we are having remainder, and how much was the divisor? Divisor was 5. Now write the checking formula, all of you. Check is equal to, what we have to find? Dividend, that is 78. Dividend is equal to, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is the checking formula. Dividend is the number that is written 78. Quotient is 15. Divisor is the number by which we are dividing, and remainder is 3. The number which is left in the end. Now let's see how much is the quotient. Quotient is 15. 15 to be multiplied with how much is the divisor? Divisor is 5. So write 5. Okay. And we have to add what? Remainder. How much is the remainder? 3. So we have to add 3. Now, horizontal multiplication we will apply over here. Okay. 5 multiplied to 5 you will get 5 5s are 25. 5. 2 goes carry. 5 will be multiplied to 1 now. 5 ones are 5. Plus 2 you will get 7. Now it's not needed. Okay, now the multiplication done. Now 15 plus 5 you got 75 plus 3 is equal to 78. So dividend has come. 78 was our dividend and the dividend has come. So our answer has come. Okay, so this was divide and check your answer. Your dividend, this number should come. Okay, your dividend should come. So dividend is coming, that means our checking is correct, our quotient and remainders are correct. When our quotient and remainder is correct, we get the correct answer. Okay, so now note down this question everyone. First you will draw a line, write the table of 5 and then you will start dividing. All of you write question B, divide and check your answer and put exercise 4.1 classwork. This is a new topic, so you will start writing it from a new page. Okay, you all will open a new page and start writing from a new page. Question B, divide and check your answer. All of you write clearly, your checking formula is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Here D stands for divisor. D stands for divisor. Which number is called divisor? The number by which we divide is known as divisor. So D stands for divisor. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is 15, divisor is 5 and remainder is 3. So first we will multiply 15 with 5, we got 75 and we will add 3 to it, we got 78. So children, now note down this question in your notebook and note down it very clearly. If any portion of yours gets missed, children, you need not to have worry. Okay, I will send a PDF from which you can copy down the question later on also. Now, have you all completed it? All of you write question B, divide and check your answer, exercise 4.1. All your entries should be completed, okay? let's see the next question. Okay? See the next question. Your next question is, see the next question everyone. Your next question given is 235 divided with 7. 235 divided with 7. Now here we will write the table of 7. All of you write the table of 7 now. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 40. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 7. So this is the table of 7. Everyone knows the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. Yes, everyone knows the table of 7. Now let's divide, children. We have to divide 235 to 7. Now children, your first number is 2. 2 is smaller than 7 or bigger than 7? It's smaller than 7. So we cannot divide 2 with it. Okay? We cannot divide. So we will take a number which is less than 7. Which number is less than 7? 21. 21 will come how many times? 3 times. 7 threes are 21. So we have subtracted. Now we have got 2 over here. And we will bring 5 down. 25. Now is there 25 in the table of 7? No, it is not there. Any number less than 25? 21. Which is the number less than 25? 21. So 7 threes are 21. Now we got 4 as a remainder. How much is the quotient? 33. And remainder we got 4. 0, 4 or 4 you can say 4. Okay. 4 we got as a remainder. Now what we will do? We will check whether our quotient and remainder is correct or not. Let's see. Check. Check is equal to dividend. What we have to bring? We have to see whether our dividend is correct or whether our quotient and remainders are correct or not. That we will see if we will see the dividend. See how? What is the formula? Checking formula. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. How much is the quotient? 33 is the quotient. How much is the divisor? 7 is the divisor. And how much is the remainder? 4 is the remainder. Now let's multiply 33 to 7. It's a horizontal multiplication. Children see 7 threes are 21. So we will write 1. Take 2 carry. 7 threes are 21. Add 2 to it, 22, 23. So 231 plus 4, you will get 235. So now let's see our dividend is coming or not. Yes, it's coming 235, 235. We got our dividend. That means our checking formula was also correct and our division was also correct. We apply this formula to check whether our division was correct or not. So our division was correct. So children, now copy down this question in your notebook, everyone. Have you all understood? First we have to divide and then we have to check whether our answer is correct or not. Whether our division was correct or not. What is the checking formula? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. 33 was the quotient, 7 was the divisor and 4 was the remainder. So 231 plus 4 is equal to 235. Children, if you cannot complete, don't worry. I am sending you PDF file from which you can complete it. Understanding is must. Okay. You all have understood this question, how to do it. So if you have understood, I'm sending you PDF file from which you can copy it out and you can do on your own. So practice doing on yourself. Okay. So children, that's all for today. I hope you all have learned a bit of division up to now. So we'll learn more tomorrow. We'll meet again. Till then, goodbye and take care everyone.